All right, hitting a familiar spot. I really hope it's shallow because I don't want to wear waders today. No, chest waders. It is way too freaking hot for that shit. Got the fly rod. I got a stone fly and a hellgrammite. Let's see what we can get up to. We're up to my bridge, got a few spotted bass. I'm gonna just start making casts, approaching. And I hope this works out for me because I haven't been catching a lot of fish here. Well, I did it. I caught my first fish on the fly rod my wife got me. And it is a creek chub. There he goes. On a little hopper. Or what the heck is that thing called? Woolly bugger. See if I can't get something else. Oh, I got some? I think I do, yeah. There he goes. They like that thing. Oh, right in the tree. Oops. There we go. Oh. Oh, I got it out. Can't believe it. Oops. That's... Oh. You son of a... Oh my God. Man, this stuff is freaking frustrating, man. I'm so annoyed. Yep, I knew it was coming. I put on this little froggy. Oh, had something hit it. Wow. Oh, another, something popped it. Something hit it again. You can hear them. Oh, what the heck? Here I ain't paying attention worth a damn. But they like that thing, wow. Oh, come on. Oh man. Oh, come on. Oh, that was kind of big. They're popping it, come on. Where's that big boy at? Oh, come on. Makes quite a bit of noise though. Let me show you real quick. Looks really nice. Just a little froggy popper. See if I got it in me to make this happen. Oh, it's hard to, fly fishing's hard, man. I just having a hard time like recognizing when I get a bite, even though it's, you know, it's obvious, but I don't know, not to me. I might work it all the way back and see what happens. There. Oh yeah. They're nibbling at it. Come on. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, man. Oh, I got him. No. 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 Dang it. Now, how the heck did that come off? So I know what happened. Pretty much, when you get a regular knot, like if you're tying your shoelaces, the first knot you do, if you get one of those in your freaking, if you get one of those in your line, pretty much any amount of force will snap the line. If I have time, I'll kind of show you an example. I have time. Let me show you. 6-pound mono, junk. Tie yourself just a regular knot. If you can see it. No, I'm not looking at you. I'm looking at the line, but you're past it, okay? So tie yourself a regular knot. Like that. And now look at this. Nothing. Gone. Now think about, like, you got 20 feet of line out, and then something that's like 1 to 3 pounds puts a good on there. Bye-bye. That's what your line does. And when you're whipping these flies around, that's a great way to make that happen. Oh man, they just ain't committing though. There we go. Got one. Oh, and he come off. Man. Do I got some? Oh, I do. Try a little rock bass. Oh, it's a bluegill. That's nice. This guy's got some pretty serious teeth. I'm gonna need a little tweezers to get it off though. Oh my god, and it came off without a hassle. Nice little bluegill. Bluegiggy. Sayonara. Well, sorry Tyler. Bye-bye. I lost my one medium-sized topwater, which is that frog. I will be buying more of those because that thing was awesome. But I do have a big old mouse, and I'd be interested to see if they're smacking that little froggy, what they do to the mousey. Here we got the big old mouse. What does it look like? Oh, that looks pretty good. Looks like pretty much like a mouse would look like if it was in the freaking water. Be freaking amazing if that fish who's got my froggy decides to bite on this, and then I get my frog back. I was just getting to know him. I'm sitting here looking at my footage. I see a big old bass looking. What the heck? Are they fighting? Got them both. Couple painted turtles. Alright, get back to fighting. Bye bye. Let's take up my net. I had to see. I had to look, alright? Okay? Don't judge me. I'm curious about stuff too. I wanted to see what they were doing. Alright, let's get me a nice bass so I can go home. I gotta go to work here. Come on, bass. I threw a mousey back on because, you know, there was one looking at it. I figure if one little guy's looking at it, a big guy's bound to look at it, right? That gurgling sound that you hear? That is my waders filling with water because I stepped on some barbed wire. Everything that's falling in makes that stupid pop sound. Oh, some hit it. But it's just the sounds of the river. You know what I'm saying? See that? If you heard that. That's what it sounds like when something like smacks a frog or something. Something top water. Sounds like, you get it? Oh, shut up. Let's go. Who's the man? Pretty fly for a white guy. Let's go. Net time, let's go, come on. No, do not freaking fall off on me. Oh, come on, please. Yes! Bro, I'm so happy right now. I ain't got no complaints, bro. Let's freaking go. I am so freaking stoked right now. Let's go. All right, let's get to the shore and let's freaking check this guy out. I'm freaking happy. Is this what happiness feels like? Booyah! Freaking largie on the freaking mouse fly. Get him off that old mouse. Freaking mouse fly. Oh man, not even looking the right way. Mouse fly got him. Let's freaking go. This is awesome. I get it now. Woo! That is what I needed in my life. First freaking decent bass on the freaking mouse fly, dude. I bought that today. I'm like, no shot. All right, thank you, my friend, for making my night awesome. Bye-bye. Thank you. You're the man. I'm the man. Let's go. Sorry, didn't mean to get carried away there. But let's see if we can get another one. I give it 5 minutes. If I don't get nothing else, I'm out of here. I'm not falling for that trap where you're like, oh, having some luck. I'm gonna stay for a while. And then you stay for like 2 more hours and you get nothing. Not today. Be kind of lucky because I remember this spot. This is where I stumbled on a bunch of big bass, largies, and this is where I'm ending my night. So please. Yeah, right by those logs up there, there is like a bass family just chilling. Oh, shut up. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Big ass. Oh yeah. 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 On the mouse fly. Oh yeah. Oh man, I'm out of here after this, man. Take your victories when you can have them. This is a freaking solid night here. Oh, and he freaking swallowed that mouse. Look at that. Mousey in there. Hello. Let's freaking go on the mouse. Nice largie. Thank you, my friend, for biting for me. I will never forget you. Bye-bye.